You have to take a walk, take a thing. Okay, my connection has gone. Take a thing. Okay, and then what happens? Metabolism rises. Why metabolism rises? Because most of the people are there stagnant in home. Okay, consider me. Okay, I mean, I haven't shown my previous photo, but people know me. The reason I'm just talking here is like I'm just trying to make a video log only for my close friends who know me. Because only one thing, they know me how fat I was because my cross face டேய் வேணாண்டா சொல்றீங்க சரி இங்கிலீஷில் பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கேன் ஓகே கலைக்கிறது அப்புறமா பார்த்துக்கலாம் மீன்ஸ் when I say this people will be there if they were there, so I'm just trying to eliminate them as recording day it's just like previously I had a jaw drop good face or kind of it was there, things were going on. I was so big. People were thinking, see, even this t-shirt was like, just think that, okay, do you think that a person will purchase this size of t-shirt? Or even I didn't purchase a normal t-shirt so far. I tried this, it worked for me. I'm just trying to give you a suggestion. If it works for you, fine, good. So I'm not an official doctor, I'm just trying to say, but it is just like first thing is like food diet. Control your food, eat your food in a portion, or try to maybe see, even I was a heavy brain lover, but